NetControl is the operating system that runs the trains for our company. It gets trains from point A to point B.
It is a system that anybody and everybody in Union Pacific interacts with.
The locomotives, the trains, the cars, keeps track of all those. It's the central reporting hub. In the past, that data was all held in our mainframe. You could get to it if you knew exactly how to look at it, but it was harder to get it out of that system in a real-time fashion.
NetControl was replacing a system that had been in existence for almost 50 years. So for us, it was not only critical to replace that system, but also to make sure that we did not have any disruption.
It's like a switch. Once you flip that switch, there's no going back.
Think about an impending heart surgery, right? You need to have it. And is it 100% that you will come out absolutely fine? Maybe not, but you have to trust the doctors. You have to trust the process, and you have to trust that that's the right thing to do.
If we don't move trains, we don't collect revenue. If we don't have revenue, then we don't work as a company. So it's essential to how we operate.
There wasn't really an opportunity to pause and savor the moment, but afterwards, after that cutover, I was very proud of the fact that the entire team came together. We were able to get it completed. We got through all the steps.
There was a lot of anticipation, there was a lot of anxiety, but the disruption was virtually non-existent.
We have a great set of engineering skill here, and so having the ability to troubleshoot as our problems popped up and quickly resolve them and continue to have operations, it's amazing to work with that type of talent here.
When you think about what NetControl enables us to do, it really unlocks that data-driven future that makes our railroad more productive.
We're light years ahead of our competitors, and that momentum has just continued.
For questions that we wanted to answer for a lot of years or questions we don't even know are there yet, this data is key.
The time we work in now requires us to be agile. We can change how we serve our customers. We can change how we run our operations. We simply didn't have that ability with TCS.
This is a once-in-a-career, once-in-a-lifetime type of a project. We had people working on this for years, and they persevered through, and they showed up when it mattered.
It felt like watching your team play in the Super Bowl. All the effort that everyone put in, I think it was a tremendous success.